my mom call Bobby and send a question on Bissan say, is it possible so bit me use one kasa or video and they are saying video ringtone? Oh, the answer is yes, it's possible. Into a self video, make sure say you bit me use one kasa or video and they are saying ringtone. Into the answer, umbrella. Make sure so be me a plus and no follow me. No one like if you see someone amount so it's me a bit. And she said, which one dream when you pass will be at your comment session.
Okay, nti we file phone no wa be Play Store application our phone so. And to be your Play Store application now over here no one type in video ringtone. Video ringtone. And to select video ringtone and no about searching so. So right from here, no one selected this kind of ringtone. Yeah, and to be selected this. And I'm somebody can install it. And anything about open and now uninstall. So right from here, let's select it open. Okay. And to go open as well. Now no I change I'm na load here. Alright, since you be change I'm na load we answer the process no so yeah. So also man be 1 minute 30 seconds be and I say even 50 seconds be. Okay, now this is it. Or see video ringtone. Into you better turn this video ringtone. You better turn it on like this. So after here we have video background call buttons and preview. So you can see you use video and you ringtone into. You better video and so now you select video na free gallery. Okay, so now they have a video for you like it's an optional. And this episode you saw a video now bet me and select you in. And as a video be like one kasa video our gallery in so and also best select it from gallery. Okay. Yeah, into select from gallery. So select from gallery. No I be choose a video now or person will you see as your ringtone. Yeah. Nti say bia wo video bi wo phone so na say one kasa video na person will you see as your ringtone. No I be choose. So right from here make choose this video. Yeah. And I'm a person. So right now obebo done now I was wrong now don't sabo so but I was still taking note. Okay, how say obi efrewa ebe display patriatia say yeah, so this is how obi efrewa ebe display. So you can use any kind of video everything media then asset, but also taking note of this. I would say a video no 40 seconds. It shouldn't be more than 40 seconds or 41 seconds, but it should be 40 seconds 40 seconds downwards. Until we are now on sabo set theme now so yeah, until we don't sabo so I say for all set for all contacts in say we are open so use ma or contact ni na obi afra say na open say display wait me use say open say individual or some specific microphone or so no I choose for individual and me pay for all contacts intimable for all contacts and so now so this is how obey me asset video ringtone.
Follow Chatting or YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Send no first time I'm watching you. So I'm going to be pass will be me a plus sign. So no one follow me. No one like your face. Same come on, no, so me. And have a blessed day. See you next time.